Welcome again to MG Sports TV, and I had to do a follow-up video because I'm starting to see the comments, I'm seeing the questions. We're going to discuss Mason Greenwood again. Now, this video possibly is going to be the last video I do and Mason Greenwood until another official confirmation is out, or another major update is out. So, which might not be sometime soon, but before I get into the details, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I would definitely something that really helps the video to push the video to go as far as possible. So hit the like button, people, and if you're here, if you're coming here, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is this is my personal opinion on the situation surrounding Greenwood. He's a player that I know a lot of Jamaican supporters or have split, should I say, opinions on the player. I've already seen it in the comment section, and apparently second chance is not something that you really need. But when I look at some of these comments, I'm like, whew, this is tough. And I'm just imagining what the player's going throughout the duration of the incident. Now, I'm not going to deny that the incident happened, but the fact is the charges were dropped. That's a fact. That's a fact. We all knew what happened. We all knew what happened. I am not saying he's innocent. I'm also not saying he's guilty, because that was already done in courthouse. And my main issue is, can he come here and be comfortable playing for Jamaica without getting similar backlash as you'd get in England? Now, I've seen it time and time again in England when you have players of certain ethnic background. I do hope maybe I get flagged for this. Of certain ethnic background get way more harshly treated than some due to their background, their ethnic background. And over a time period, you see the nature of certain aspect building. Let me give a perfect example. I think it was the Euros when I think Rashford, Saka, and I think it's Rashford, Saka, I think they missed their penalty. And all the emails that they got, the inboxes that they got, the quotes on online, people hurling abuse, the racist abuse and all these things towards the players. I'm not saying that it's everyone, but one is more than enough. One is more than enough. No, this incident that took place is one in which is very, very hard to look by for most fans. And even one of the big statements that Al Grimson said is, the man without sin cast the first stone. And what he's saying, what Al Grimson is implying is that no one is perfect. No one at all. No one is perfect. And I agree. I agree with that. No one is perfect. And many of the persons in the comment section that will be coming in the comment section and throwing the R word at the player, I won't say it because, I don't want YouTube to flag me. I think you guys know the R word. Yeah. I'm going to say running. I'm going to say runner. I'm going to use the term runner. People are going to come in the comment section and show the R word runner. And those same persons who are throwing the runner word many of those persons have some deep, dark secrets that maybe can't even go public or else. But I tend to find out that these are the type of persons who are very, very quick to throw the runner word around and get at people and hurl abuses. And many of these persons don't believe in second chances, but yet still they themselves are on a second chance. So that is in nature where that's nature where they understand where some of the supporters are. Now then you have another set of persons who are thinking strictly football. And they want to see the best players representing the national team at all time. Doesn't matter where, when, how. And I also agree with that. Now, I would understand the persons who are throwing the run around word because the evidence is there, out there. But, the player was not charged or hasn't served time for such thing because the charges were dropped. Everything, well, he was charged, but those things were now passed and gone behind him. So I do believe that the whole aspect of not believing in a second chance, that is where those persons have to think about themselves. Now, should this player come and play for us? What would do for some of the females who are quote unquote in the feminist movement and all these type of things, who are supporting football, because I've already seen females say that they're not going to support the national team because of that. I've seen it. I have seen it. 100% I have seen it. But not only that, there are other aspects of this where people, should I say it now, the private sector and these persons would have been where the money is concerned. And that because that's where the money is concerned, it might be a bit touchy for them. And you'll find that maybe some will stay and maybe some will pull because they don't want their brand to be associated with that figure. Not saying that it is the case, but they don't want their brand to be associated with anything controversial. So they're just protecting their brand. So that is the external factors that affect it. Now, for me personally, I don't have a problem if the player should play for the Reggae Boyz, because I personally believe in second chances. I personally believe in second chance. And when I say and use the term second chances, it's going to imply that he did something wrong in the first place. I will not deny that he didn't do anything wrong. I will not deny that. Because 100% we have seen all the things that went viral. It's a trick, it's a scam, it's a prank. We don't know. But it's out there. But I strongly believe in second chances, and I have gotten second chances in many times. I've gotten second chances. I am not perfect. So I also believe that this opportunity might change his life. And if you can grant someone the opportunity to change their life, to make them a better person, I think that's actually an ideal thing to do. I think it's an ideal thing to do. So for me, I have no problem with the player coming to play for us. I would love for him to come and play for us because of the talent that he possesses, the quality that he has. It is something that we need. We definitely need. And this is, as I said, it's going to be the last video I do on the player until some major development occur. But we'll see how that one goes. What I want you guys to do is go in the comment section and tell me what your thoughts are on this situation. Tell us what your thoughts are on this situation. I would really, really love to know. Big up yourself. Tell us. I want to know if you are okay with him coming. This actually is the follow-up video because I know that last night when I did the other video, it was strictly speaking about Al Grimson clearing the hair, but this is actually my opinion on what I think about the situation and if I want the player to represent us. Big up yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Boom.